The gradient color effect is a fantastic way to make your CTA or your button much more compelling and attractive compared to just a solid color button. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this really cool gradient color on your button without needing any plugin and without any code. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm running Gutenberg editor on WordPress, and here's how you can insert a button with the gradient color. To do that, just place the cursor on the editor and then you can start typing /buttons. Click the buttons block and then you can start type something for this button. So I'm going to type contact us and I'm going to customize the button even further. Let's say I want to put the button to be in the middle, and I will also increase the size of the button. Let's change the size to large, and also I will change the radius to maybe 20. Okay, I think that looks great. I will also increase the left and right padding. Okay, now I have set up the button. The next thing we need to do is to apply a gradient effect on the button. In WordPress, you can just click on the button, go to styles, and then on the color section, click background. And after that, go to gradient. Now, there are plenty of presets available, but in my opinion, they are not looking great. So I'm going to show you where you can get compelling gradient colors chosen by designers for your website. The first website I highly recommend is uigradients.com. This website is my go-to when it comes to choosing a great gradient color. They have plenty of options available and you can choose from various options here. Another great website is designgradients.com. This is also a fantastic resource if you want to get a really cool gradient color. But in this example, I'm going to be using uigradients.com. So I'm going to pick the color orange and I'm going to click flare and we will get these two color codes. Click on the first color code and then go back to your WordPress site, and on this left side click on the point and then you can paste the color code here. Just right click and then paste. Okay, and then we can continue for the next color. Just go back to uigradients.com, click on the color again, and then go back on WordPress, click on the next color point, and then paste the color code. Okay, I think that looks great. Now, the next thing you need to do is to change the angle of the gradient. I'm going to change the angle from 135 to, let's say, 45 degrees. Now, remember that this is very subjective and it's totally up to you which angle you want to use for the button. But I'm going to use 45 in this example. And after that, you can close, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can create a really cool gradient effect on a button in WordPress. Let's see what it's going to look like on the live page. Just click here and click preview in new tab. And there you go. There are also other buttons that I have shown earlier, and you might have noticed that there is an icon next to the text. Check out this video to learn more about how to insert an icon to a button in WordPress without needing any plugin, and I'll see you on that video.